Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.